Om Namah Shivaya Swamiji, Janmadina Subhakankshalu. I am blessed to be considered as your mother, and you made me walk on spiritual path. And thank you being always for us.
Happy birthday, Swamiji.
Om Namah Shivaya Swamiji, Janmadina Subhakankshalu. We seek your blessings on this very auspicious day. Please keep guiding us on the spiritual path forever. Om Namah Shivaya.
Happy birthday, Swamiji. Here's wishing you a wonderful year ahead.
Pranam Swamiji. Me to say a few words about you. I clearly mentioned that the kind of bond that we have, which is not expressed in words, but I have a bullet pressure. I have to say something now. Swamiji, you led and guided to march towards the path of purity, which is really tough unless there is a marshal like you who guided and addressed all combination of material and non-materialistic queries that we raise across this 20 to 25 years. Thank you is a small word, but thank you for all that you do for us and also for the society. Of course, you do not celebrate occasions, but on this occasion, wishing you a very happy birthday.
శివాయ స్వామీజీ జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. యు ఆర్ మై గురు అండ్ డివైన్ గైడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్వామీజీ. ఓం నమ శివాయ.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes, you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes, you.
Happy birthday,
Yes.
dear Swamiji.
Happy birthday.
From all of us.
All of us.
Happy birthday, Swamiji. वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Swamiji, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Swamiji. Happy birthday, Swamiji.
Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. Om Namah Shivaya, Swamiji. Happy birthday, Swamiji.
Swamiji, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Swamiji.
उलटू बात है ना.
నమస్తే స్వామీజీ, జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు అండి. మీ గురించి నాకు చాలా తక్కువ తెలిసినా సరే దాంట్లో నుంచి నేను నేర్చుకోవటానికి చాలా విషయాలు ఉన్నాయి. సో ఎప్పుడు చూసినా మీరు హ్యాపీగా జోక్ చేస్తూ జాలీగా ఉన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తారు. సో కానీ మనం ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ చేయాలన్నా కూడా ముందుంటారు, బాగా గైడెన్స్ ఇస్తారు అందరికీ. దట్స్ రియలీ మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు, వసుంధర అమ్మ లాంటి వాళ్ళు ఉండటం బట్టే ఈ రోజుల్లో ఇంకా ఈ సొసైటీలో కొంచెం మంచితనం ఉండటం అనేది జరుగుతుందని నా స్ట్రాంగ్ అభిప్రాయం అండి. మీరు ఇలానే కలకాలం సంతోషంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా మీరు ఉంటూ మా అందరికీ గైడెన్స్ ఇస్తూ అన్నీ బాగా అందరికీ చూసుకునేటట్టు ఉండాలి అని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నానండి. నమస్తే అండి.
Om Namah Shivaya. Shubha Janmadina Tubhyam Swamiji. You are an all-rounder. We have learned the strength of silence from you. The details of all the children consolidating in just one sheet from nursery to class 10 was amazing. The banking system that you have introduced is too good for the children. We have the privilege to enjoy the chana dal pakora kadhi that you had made for us. I'm religiously following Nachiketa Chaitanya Kriya and Laghu Shankar Prakshalan that you had taught us 10 years back. My heart really bounced when I came to know that you're an excellent football player. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Swamiji.
ओम नमः शिवाय। मैं अपने परिवार की ओर से स्वामी जी आपको आपके जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं अर्पित करता हूँ और परमेश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि वो आपको शक्ति दे, प्रसन्न रखे, ताकि आपने जो जन कल्याण के कार्य की प्रक्रिया शुरू कर रखी है उसको आप निरंतर आगे बढ़ाते रहें। इस अवसर पर मैं भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं लगभग 4 वर्ष पूर्व स्कूल के माध्यम से आपके संपर्क में आया और कुछ अवसरों पर मुझे आपसे निकटता से विचार विमर्श या कुछ सीखने का अवसर भी प्राप्त हुआ। मैंने हर बार, जितनी बार भी आपसे मिला, आपको नई ऊर्जा से ओत-प्रोत और भरपूर पाया। और हमेशा से ही मैंने पाया कि आप लोगों को कई तरीके से उत्साहित करते हैं, उनको आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं। मुझे भी आपसे अनेक अवसरों पर कई तरह की चीज़ें सीखने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। इसके लिए मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे भी आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखने का अवसर हमें मिलता रहेगा। धन्यवाद एक बार फिर आपको, आपके जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं, आपको बहुत सारी बधाई।
ओम नमः शिवाय स्वामी जी, कोटि कोटि नमन एवं जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं अतीत को दोहराती हूँ कि आपके साथ मेरा संपर्क 2007 गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन हुआ। मैंने स्वेच्छा से तपोवन को अपनी सेवाएं देने का विचार आपके समक्ष रखा। आपने मुझे हिंदी विषय अध्यापन के लिए परामर्श दिया। मैं उस विचार से बहुत प्रसन्न हुई। यहाँ संस्था में मैंने स्वयं को छात्र के रूप में पाया। आपके सानिध्य में गीता स्वाध्याय से हम सभी लाभान्वित हुए।
Om Namah Shivaya Swami ji. The only thing I can tell is you are simply superb, and I would like to wish on this special day a very happy birthday to you, Swami ji.
Om Namah Shivaya. We are grateful for all the abundance in our lives and all that is coming us now. Thank you.
ओम नमः शिवाय. Dear Swamiji, Janam Divas Shubhakankshalu Swamiji, wish you a many happy returns of the day and many healthier years ahead. Your kind-heartedness and compassion for one and all without any discrimination has been a guiding light for each student, faculty and volunteers. You have been a strong pillar for all of us. As a mentor, you have shaped many young and tender minds with your sincere and dedicated efforts. We will always look forward to have many creative and valuable opportunities to learn from you and to seek your guidance to strengthen each one of us spiritually. Create value in community and society. On behalf of all Nachiketans and Ashramans, our deepest gratitude for being the beacon of hope and joy in our lives. Dhanyavadam.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Swamiji.
Hi Swamiji, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Thank you for being guided to me and for your support and encouragement for us. Once again, wish you many more happy returns of the day, Swamiji. Have a nice day.
Om Namah Shivaya Swamiji. We are very blessed to have you as our Guru. We learn so much from you, Swamiji. The sweetness when you encourage us, the seriousness when you guide us through right paths. We are very thankful to have such a great soul with us to motivate. I wish you many more happy returns of the day, Swamiji. We all love your sweet smile. Keep smiling, Swamiji.
Swamiji, when I was in school, once you said, do what you love or else love what you do. From then, I have been trying to enjoy whatever I do. Many children from our school achieved something in their life, and many more children are in the way to achieve something, and you are the reason for everything. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Swamiji.
Swamiji, you are the only person whom I have seen in my life who always loves us like our parents and teaches us and puts us in right path like a teacher and stood by our side like a friend, like a well-wisher and whatnot. I feel very grateful and thankful to God for making me as a tiny part in your life. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Swamiji.
Wishing you many more happy returns of the day, Swamiji. We are so independent and doing our things own because of all the support and encouragement, Swamiji. You always encourage us to do what we love. Thanks for everything, Swamiji. Once again, wishing you a very happy birthday.